What's up, y'all? Your girl is back. Y'all, COVID got me. COVID got me. I was down for like 2 months. But your girl is back. And in the meantime, while I was sick, didn't keep me from shopping. And this time, I have a mystery box from KLARITY Kosmetics. And this was $20. And you're supposed to get up to like 6 items. Remember, if you don't know about KLARITY Kosmetics, yo, their eyeshadow palettes are gorgeous. Like, look, here's the Cobra palette. Like, the packaging alone is sufficient, but wait till you see these colors. Open it. Look at those. Beautiful. And my newest baby from them, the Bloom palette. Gorgeous packaging. But look at the colors, y'all. Aren't they gorgeous? Yes. So if you don't know, go ahead and hit them up. And make sure you follow them on Instagram too, because she does scavenger hunts where if you go on their website, like, she'll hide like free products and all you have to do is just pay for shipping. This was one of the free products today, but it's sold out now. But let's get into this mystery box. Can y'all believe it's 2024? Like, 2023 went by super fast. Sometimes it felt like it went super fast, and then other times it felt like 3 years had gone by in like 6 months. I don't know. Okay, so here's my invoice. Super excited. All right, so first of all, I think this is probably going to be like all lipstick products, or maybe, I don't know. We'll see. I have 6 boxes in here. What are these? Are they all the same thing? Oh, they're I got all lip liners. Yep, they're all. All lip liners. I got 6 lip liners. Let's see what we got. Let's see what colors we got. And I love a good lip liner. Because, you know, it gives you some versatility. You could take a lip liner and some gloss. Make something out of nothing. Alright, so this is called Pecan. Or Pecan. What do you say? Let me know in the comments. Do you say pecan or pecan? I don't know. I say whatever comes out first. Or it might just be like a geographical thing. Like, where are you from? Depends on what you say. But here's the pen, and it's pretty weighty too. Like, it's not like flimsy. So yeah, and they're indie brand, and you already know some of these indie brands be on their stuff. KLARITY is definitely one of them. So this is Pecan or Pecan. Nice light. It's like a light brick brown rose. I don't know. I likes it. All right, up next we got, what is this? Innocent. Okay. And that's just pronounced innocent. All right. Again, I really do like the weight on these. They don't feel like cheap wood or anything like that. Okay. There's the color. And this swatcher. It's a nice little pink. It's really soft and creamy. Really soft and creamy. Isn't that pretty? It's really, really nice. All right, up next we have Fire Drill. What if it's not red? I don't know. Wouldn't that be funny? Don't you hate when colors, like, you see a color name and you automatically assume it's going to be a certain color, and then it's not, and you're like, what do I do with that? But here we go. This one, oh, nope, it's red. It's a nice fire engine red, too. That is so pretty. Super pretty. It's more, it looks like more of an orange red on camera. Nope, in real life, too. Doesn't give me that blue red, but I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Next up, we have Sweet Dreams. I wonder if it's going to be like a pinky color. I think it'd be either pink or brown. Let's see. right in the middle. It's like a taupe, nude-ish color. Yeah. There we go. Nude. So, I mean, technically I was like in the middle. So I still won. Alright, up next we have Ring the Alarm. I don't know what color I think that's going to be. Let's see. But the only thing I think of is Beyonce. I don't know why. That song just immediately started playing in my head. Okay. That's more of like a brick color. Or like, no, this is more like a wine color. Ooh. I could so use these. I don't know how it's reading on camera. But this is definitely nice and deep. Like I would oh yeah. Like I would like fill my lips in with this and wear it as a color. Because one, they're soft and creamy. I will say the only thing I don't like about these is there's no color tips. So I don't know, like I'd have to go through each one just to find out what color it is. Or, you know, I'm used to stuff like this. And these are from the crayon case. But yeah, so you could just pull out what you need. All right. Well, last but not least, guys, we have a mauve rose. So I would consider the last one, well, this one, to be like a mauve rose. But let's see what we got. Oh, it's broken. Did I break that? I hope I did. Oh, yeah, it's like all smeared now. Oh, but it's really pretty though. Oh, these things are so soft. See? It's so pretty. So pretty. Oh, but I broke it. That's fine. But yeah, that was pretty cool. So I'm not disappointed at all. I got six lip liners. Creamy, like rich. I mean, like you could probably use these as crayons, like lip crayons, to be honest with you. I don't know how far you would get with them, but they are sharpenable. Well, you do sharpenable. You would sharpen these. They're just, my only thing is I can't tell what color they are. But these are definitely going in rotation. Because lately I've been like on a 90s thing. Like, just give me a liner and some lip gloss and your girl is good. So, yeah. Those are the colors that we got, guys. So, let me know in the comments. Again, have you heard of Clarity? Have you purchased anything? Do you like it? Do you like these? Do you use them? Do you use their lipsticks? Because I also got a lipstick from them. Oh, it's so cute. They had that for free too. It was crazy. What was it called? Teddy lip gloss. And it's so cute with a brown lip liner. Like it's amazing. But yeah, welcome back, guys. Let me know what you thought, and I'll see you next time. Peace.